Hi, friends. Welcome back. I'm Barbara, and this is my home sweet home. Today, I'm sharing one of those simple home organizers that instantly makes life feel calmer. The Citylife 17-quart clear craft organizer with the removable tray, and I'm using it for something very important around here, my grandson's Lego collection. He's 5, and Lego is not a hobby, it's an obsession. So when he comes over, I want everything in one place. It makes it easier, sorted, and ready to build without me digging through random bags and little piles all over the house. What I love is the multi-layer setup. You've got this removable tray with compartments for the small pieces, and then underneath there's extra depth for the bigger parts. So I can keep the tiny specialty pieces up top, like these little people, and there's little windows, there's little wheels, there's so many random little extra parts. So that way we can keep it all the pieces on top and the bulk bricks down below. It's one of those why didn't I do this sooner setups. The other thing that makes this so easy is the clear see-through design. I can spot exactly what's inside without opening it, which is huge when you're trying to keep kids moving and building instead of waiting on grandma to find the right pieces. And the lid actually locks, so I stack these or I can carry them from room to room. Everything stays secure, no accidental Lego explosions. We love that. And honestly, this isn't just for kids. I have more of these that I am collecting for my art studio. Paints, brushes, palette knives, and all those little tools that tend to wander. Those of you who know me, I'm an artist, and boy, have I collected the supplies over the years. This size is such a sweet spot for crafters because it holds a lot, but it's still easy to lift, store, and stack. Plus, it's made in the USA, durable, and BPA free, which I appreciate for anything I'm using regularly in my house. Home Sweet Home tip: organize by how you use it, not just by category. So the things you reach for most are the easiest to grab. Consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.